In this video, I will show you how to replace the camshaft position sensor on 2011 to 2018 Ram 1500 equipped with 5.7 liter Hemi engine. Step number 1. Park the truck on a level surface, engage the emergency brake and place blocks in front of and behind the rear wheels for safety. 2. Open the engine compartment and visually locate the camshaft position sensor located in front of the engine on the passenger side, just next to the water pump inlet. 3. Remove the bolt holding the damaged camshaft position sensor using a ratchet and a 10 mm socket. 4. Once the bolt has been removed, hold the sensor with your hand and pull the sensor outwards, rotating it slightly in both directions to remove it more easily. 5. Once the sensor is free from its position, unlock the red connector lock by pulling it back with the help of a hook or flathead screwdriver to be able to disconnect the electrical plug shown on the screen. 6. Once the connector lock is unlocked, apply inward pressure on the electrical plug lock and pull back simultaneously to completely disconnect it. 7. Thoroughly clean the surface where the sensor sits with a clean towel. 8. Apply a light coat of lubricating oil to the seal of the new camshaft position sensor before installing it to make installation easier and prevent the seal from being damaged when inserting it into its corresponding mounting location. 9. Install the camshaft position sensor in its original position by pressing inward with your hand, ensuring it sits correctly. Install and tighten the screw firmly according to specifications listed in your owner's manual. Connect the electrical plug, ensuring that it is properly seated. 10. Start the truck to check that everything is working correctly. Using a diagnostic tool, clear the fault codes. That's how simple it is to replace the camshaft position sensor on 2011 to 2018 Ram 1500 equipped with 5.7 liter Hemi engine.